How to deposit a money and ATM on the Bank of America. Now, the most convenient way of doing this for you to be able to save time as well is to first visit the bankofamerica.com's official site, and in here you should be able to find a financial center or ATM on the nearest area possible your location. So you'll have to enter your current address, zip code, or landmark. Now, you just have to tick or untick these forms or fields right here for you to be able to be provided with the nearest ATM machine on your location. Now, once you have successfully find it, you should be able to save time and going to that specific branch or ATM machine. Now, once you're on the machine, usual way, just enter or insert your specific card on the ATM machine, enter your 4 to 6 digit PIN for you to be able to access it, and then choose on deposit and enter or insert a specific money on how much you would like to deposit and make it confirmed. You should also be receiving a confirmation from the phone or the email address that is associated with the Bank of America that you have. So that's it. That's how easy and quick you can deposit a money on the Bank of America's ATM machine.